Thank you very much, ladies. Hello, magandang gabi po ulit sa inyo lahat, sa inyong mga tahanan. Magandang gabi. Ilang tulog na lang, bagong taon na 2012 is coming. At maraming salamat sa 2011. Nako, alright, tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Ito na, para makita nyo na mga nagdining kagandahan. At, oo nga pala, yung aking album. Available, nakakatuwa. Ang dami daw bumibili sa SM lahat. Yung pong Kending-Kending, ayan, album ay available na po sa lahat po. Ito, Kending-Kending ang available sa mga SM malls, sa Landmark, Record Bars, Asu Plus, Asu Vision, Odyssey, O Music, Rockwell, O Music, Greenbelt. Sana makabili na kayo ngayon para makabot pa sa inyong medianoche. Para sayawan, kantahan, kendeng. Ito po ay remix, of course. Yung meron tayo ditong pinagsamang kanta, Agogo Dancing. At syempre ho, yung kendeng-kendeng, remix po yan. Ni DJ Koki. DJ Koki! Oh! CDs na available sa lahat po ng inyong mga paboritong record bars. Again, ulitin ko, kendeng-kendeng available po sa mga SM malls, sa lahat po. Landmark, Record Bars, Asu Plus, Asu Vision, Odyssey, O Music, Rockwell, O Music, Greenbelt, under Viva Records. Mga kantang ginawa po ni Christian Martinez. Christian Martinez, maraming salamat sa iyo. Napakagaling ng kompositor. Christian, thank you very much. Again, kendeng-kendeng! Kasama ko po ang Big Time Girl. Wow, yan po silang lahat. So, available na. Ito, pakita ko lang. Ayun, oh. Kendeng-kendeng. Ito, may isang makikita dito. Up. Oh. Okay. So, yan, oh. Alright, thank you. Swerte yung bumuhat sa akin. Yung iba dyan, nakahawak kung saan-saan, okay? Kaya, tingnan niyo yung CD. Bumili kayo, saan sila nakahawak. Kaya nagulat ako. Sabi ko, alright! Kendeng-kendeng! Bili na kayo para kumendeng na tayo lahat sa New Year. Thank you so much. Okay, available po yan. Sana makabili na kayo. Ayun, baka ang daming bumili, oh. Aba, ang dami na bumili, ah. Salamat po sa inyo. Sa lahat po ng mga gusto pong makabili, humabol na tayo sa sayawang kendeng-kendeng. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Eto na po, tawagin na po natin ang nagagandahang mga host po ng Will Time Big Time. Please welcome Mariel and Shalani.
Yes, hello everyone! Welcome to Will Time Big Time! Advance Happy New Year also. Ilang tulog na lang, New Year na.
That's right! Binabati natin ang lahat na nanonood sa kanilang mga tahanan. At grabe naman ang taas na energy dito sa loob ng studio! Hello everyone! Ang saya-saya!
Yes.
Masayang-masaya talaga. Lalong-lalo na kapag kasama kayo tuwing ganitong oras.
Gabi-gabi yan, kasama natin sila.
Okay, andi lang. Isama natin dalawa. Sugar at Lovely! Bate, go!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, lalo na po sa mga nanonood ngayong gabi. Enjoy lang, have fun. And this is my friend Lovely.
Yes, and to all the people out there, hi, good evening, and enjoy watching Will Time Big Time.
Alright, at ano sabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko, matanda na. Hindi, sabihin ako lang. Ay, bukas! Sa Friday, sa Saturday pala. Ang bilis kasi. Arnel Pineda. Live na live. Sa Sabado, ha? Opening number natin. Nako, abangan nyo yung opening number. Wendy Valdez. Wendy Valdez, Nina Jose, Regine Angeles, at meron tayong special. Special na magugol ka kung sino. Panoodin nyo sa Sabado. Hindi namin sasabihin kung sino yon. Wow, talagang nagtatalbugan sa kagandahan. Di ba?
Yes,
Sa
tama.
Sabado yan. So, okay, ilang tulog na lang. New Year na. Saan ka mag-New Year? Lovely.
I think in yet.
Really?
I don't know where, but I think in yet of Willie Revillame.
Mag-ayati kayo, ha? Kasi doon sa MOA, 1 hour, non-stop ang fireworks doon sa 31. So, yung mga merong yate, nandun lang yan, nakaikot. May barge doon eh. So, isang oras o, puro fireworks. Doon kayo, wine-wine lang kayo, doon kwentuhan. Doon ka?
I don't think so. It's up to you, Will. What do you think?
Wala, sa bahay lang ako.
Okay, I'm with you. You want me to do there?
No. May anak ka na eh, okay? Ikaw, saan ka mag-ano?
Kay Kuya Will.
Doon rin.
Doon.
Sayat
Mga
ka rin.
kulipo to eh. Okay, sumama sa akin. May sarili akong buhay, okay? Kanya-kanya. Ikaw naman, Michelani, saan ka?
Of course, sa bahay lang.
Bahay.
Sa bahay.
Bahay
lang,
Nino.
syempre. Kasama family, of course.
Kasama ng family.
Yes.
Alright. So, saan? Pero pupunta ka kay Congressman.
Doon kami magmamas sa Pasig. Tapos sa bahay na po namin.
Alright. Sige. Of course, Mariel and Robin, saan kayo?
Hindi ko pa alam, kuya. Laging surprise. Laging gulatan. Dito pala tayo. Ay, bago to na pala, gano'n.
Ganun ba si Robin?
Lagi, kuya. Kailangan ready ka. Laging on the go ka. Dapat kung dito pala tayo. Okay, game. Ganon.
Sunod ka lang ng sunod.
Oo, totoo.
Dapat ganun lang kasawa, sunod lang ng sunod. Di ba? Tama, Salani, kakasal ka, dapat ganun lang, susunod ka lang kay Congressman. Kasi hindi naman mag-isip ng masama para sa yon. Lagi ikagaganda ng buhay mo. Di ba? Ano?
Tama. Tama nga. Sabi
Alright.
ko,
So,
tama.
kaya kayo, pag nag-asawa kayo, susunod lang kayo sa mga utos ng inyong mga asawa.
Yes, because men knows best.
Okay. Oh, Pat, come here. What can you say? Here's Lovely and Pat, you talk to each others.
Yes, I know that.
Yung mic po ni Pac. Yung mic ni Pac.
Mike, please.
Mike, tulog na naman.
Mic ni Pac.
Tulog.
Hello?
What is the question again, Will?
You talk to Lovely. No,
Si
talk
Pac,
to me.
si Pac yata yung nakatulog.
Okay.
Oh.
Hi,
When are you planning to spend your vacation on our vacation?
I don't know yet because I think at the time I wanna work.
From this time on, I would like you to, starting January, 2012, there should be a word of the day
Okay.
so that we can learn from you guys.
Okay, like.
How about you? For example, you. What is the
like-
word of the day?
Science. Let's talk about education right now.
Oh, my God.
You're talking about education.
Yeah,
So
because
science.
for the viewers to learn more.
Okay, what do you mean by science?
Science. Science is a systematic knowledge, especially of the physical world, gained through observation and experimentation.
Galing!
Wow.
Yes.
I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. I never thought you can say that, huh?
Yes, really.
Really? So that's the meaning of science.
Yeah.
What
But the question is, how do you spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
Mali. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Yes.
Perfect. Ang galing mo.
Pero hindi ko i-spell, sabihin ko lang.
Or you, can you spell that?
I think I can spell the shoes there.
How about you? What's the word?
Yes, the word for today is about speech.
Oh,
Yes.
science, fact, and your speech.
Yes,
Okay.
speech is a communication or expressions of thought in spoken words.
Wow. Mukhang may bonus yung teacher mo, ah.
Wow. Do you have any word of the day?
Yes, I have.
Humabol. Humabol. Wally, Jose, at si Paulo. Okay. Humabol, okay.
Okay.
All right.
I don't need a tutor or everything. Me, myself, and I know myself.
Okay.
This is my world. World?
Word. This is our word. Okay.
This
Go.
is my word. Word. Mouners. Mouners. Mourons. If you have a dead, you mourners, nakikiramay to the, tama naman, di ba? Mourners pala, mourners. Mourners pala, mourners.
But you have to maintain that. I-maintain mo yung pagiging corny mo para nakakatawa ka. Di ba? Ang galing. That's all?
Yeah, and no,
I have two.
I have also.
Oh, okay.
So
I
you
have
first.
You have also?
Yeah, you
Okay, what do
first.
you have?
I have a reserve.
Oh, you have a reserve. And my teacher teach me the word schooling.
What is
And
schooling?
I really thank her, Will, and I'm really glad because I used that in a sentence a while ago. Like
What
schooling.
sentence?
Schooling. Somebody's recalling. Okay, go. I know that.
Not
Okay,
that
okay.
one, the
Okay,
other
go.
one.
Okay.
Because you know what, guys? A while ago, someone's
Make it faster.
Someone's calling you.
someone's calling me. That's all. Thank you for that, Ate Mariel. Yes.
Hindi mo tinuloy,
No,
friend.
you know,
Maganda yun.
that joke is like this. there's a phone ringing and Dai answers the phone. Ring. Use schooling in the sentence. In a sentence. Okay. Ring. She answers the phone. Hey, yes? Who's schooling, please?
Okay, not that
Another
word.
one, another one.
Oh,
That's a
see.
joke.
Okay, Will, you know the word dimension?
Okay, what about dimension?
Dimension. Earlier, I'm with my daughter. We
Okay.
walked in our subdivision, and she saw a very, 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 very big house.
Oh.
And she asked me, Mommy, what do you call that? That is what you call dimension.
That's a joke, Will.
Yeah.
That's a joke.
Please appreciate
I
it.
want-
Dimension. It's a mansion, dimension.
Yeah, Will.
Manday, mansion. Bisaya
Yes.
man gid, day,
mansion.
mansion. O, naintindihan nyo na.
Yes,
Day,
yes.
mansion. O, day,
Yes,
man.
Will.
Oh, how about you?
That's a joke, Will. But in my part, I want an educational speech.
Okay.
Educational topic.
Okay,
Like what is atom?
Oh, atom?
Yes, atom.
What is atom to you?
Atom is a tiny particle of an element.